Hello. In this video I will show you how I made a small part for my car. At first I printed it on a 3D printer, but it broke again. I already had a 3D model drawing in Fusion 360, all that was left was to transfer it to paper, and that's what I got. This is my first project in which I will be using a lathe and a milling machine, so let's get started. I was thinking of drilling a hole on a lathe, however, I don't have a 2mm drill chuck yet. The cutting operation on my machine is still very complicated, and not always successful. I broke a lot of cutting tools. Maybe my machine is soft for this. Now, I have to drill a hole, and mill 2 grooves. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel.